Few hours back, there is a news that Chinese army, that is People's Liberation Army, carried out large scale drill to show its preparedness in the India-China border. This is sheer provocation by China. When the entire universe is preparing and facing corona crisis, China is trying to provoke India at this point of time. And from last 1 month we have seen the worst India-China standoff in the recent past. The drill involved thousands of paratroopers and armed vehicles which wanted to show a strong preparedness in India-China border. And Chinese media confirmed the reports and the location is not confirmed. Exactly in which location China have conducted its drill. So, without the confirmation of location, Chinese media have confirmed the drill is going to be a strong message for India that China is prepared for any eventuality. And 2 days back, there was also a important news that the high level officials in Indian army and Chinese army have met peacefully and cooperatively in the border region Chushul Moldo, CHUSHUL In that region they met and wanted to solve the border disputes peacefully. We all know it is a long term dream and it again takes a long time to solve India-China border dispute, as it has a long border of 3,488 kilometers and the border can be divided into western sector, central or middle sector and eastern sector. For example, if you see Ladakh is in the western sector, enter Jammu Kashmir area. For example, in the central or middle sector you have Uttarakhand. In the eastern sector we have Arunachal Pradesh. There are a lot of claims, counter claims in these areas. So, we need to have a long standing dialogue process with respect to that. And particularly, this year marks 70th anniversary of Sino-Indian friendship. So, and with this 70th anniversary, we need to celebrate the positives of Sino-Indian relationship, but China is trying to provoke India in this way in the border regions. And coming to the other things, in 2018, we have a very big standoff, 73-day standoff between India and China. The standoff is for an issue called Doklam issue. The Doklam is a tri-junction area between India, Tibet, that is China, and Bhutan. So, in this area, China wanted to construct a road. India have given strong resistance and there was a standoff, 73-day standoff in 2018. After this standoff, there was a summit, informal summit between India and China in Wuhan, the present coronavirus birthplace. So, after that, both the leaders from India and China wanted to solve border disputes with the dialogue and peacefully. And India-China border disputes are not new. There are many border skirmishes, border issues and events, conflicts. But this is not the right time for that. But China should understand how and why it is trying to provoke India and what is the message China wanted to send to India. As you all know, in 1962, China unilaterally attacked India and China occupied entire Aksai Chin area around 38,000 kilometers, and China is claiming Arunachal Pradesh, entire the state of Arunachal Pradesh over 90,000 kilometers. So, we need to have a long standing dialogue process with China, and China should also respect peaceful dialogue process rather than entering into border entanglements.